Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to make a perfect and delicious vanilla cupcake. So by the way, since I'm here, I'm gonna be showing you our cupcakes. So these are our display for today. There you go. Are you ready? Because I'm ready. So let's go. Okay, this is our ingredients. We have granulated sugar, all-purpose flour, eggs, baking soda, milk, salt, room temperature butter, and vanilla bean paste. Okay, so we're gonna start making this super delicious vanilla cupcake. First, we're gonna put the butter into the mixing bowl. Room temperature butter. Okay, we're gonna mix this until it's smooth. Okay. Scrape the side. And I'll slowly add the dry ingredients in 3 parts mixture. Last for the dry milk. Scrape the sides so everything is incorporated. I can smell so good now. There you go. Look at the batter. Just mix it for like about 1 minute. It should be good. Don't mix it too high. That's perfect right now. There we go. Take this out. Okay. Scrape. the yellow scooper. This is just like that. Okay, now we're gonna put this in the oven. Okay, so we let this cool down. Okay, so now we're ready to decorate our cupcakes. So here are the cupcakes. So I already made the buttercream, so it saves us a lot of time. I have Oreo, I have caramel, I have vanilla, and I have chocolate. So we'll start with the vanilla. Vanilla is very simple. There you go. Simple. Stop. Okay. One more vanilla. Stop. Next will be chocolate. Vanilla and chocolate. Right here. Stop. One more time. Okay. So to make it look so pretty, we're gonna put some sprinkles. There you go. Simple vanilla cupcake. So with the chocolate, we'll make it more to a star. Okay, I know you can do a star. To drizzle, make a star on top of the frosting. There you go. And after that, we're gonna put some sprinkles. Some sprinkles. Okay. Some sprinkles. Sprinkles is everything. See? There. And to complete that, we're gonna put some cherry on top of the cupcake. There you go. There. Vanilla and chocolate. Okay, so we'll do another flavors. Okay, this time we'll make vanilla turtle. So we'll have to pour a little bit out of your cupcake. Score for the filling and pour. Okay, and then now we'll have to put caramel filling. Caramel. Oh, we'll add some more because this is my favorite. Okay. Go. This is the caramel buttercream. One more caramel buttercream. Caramel buttercream. There you go. And to make it pretty, okay, this one will have to go with the caramel first. Do like that. Caramel. Some chocolate. There you go. right? And then, to top it off, some pecans and chocolate chip. There. Let's put it on top. There. Ooh, delicious!
Amazing!
Next, we're gonna do Oreo. Okay, so pour again for our filling. Okay, make sure you remove that one and then now the filling is whipped icing. Put whipped icing in there. Whipped icing. There you go. Okay. This is the last flavor that we're making. It's vanilla Oreo. Okay, we'll put the Oreo. So there's the filling in here. Just like when you're eating Oreo, there's a cream. We'll finish this one. Okay. Everything has to look so deliciously looking cupcakes. And after you drizzle, we'll put some Oreo crumbs. And then top it off with Oreo cookie. Vanilla cupcakes. Enjoy!
Kamusta, senyor, senyorita? Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. At dito po tayo sa Frosty Cake Shop. Charoy! Anong gagawin nga natin ngayon? Nakalimutan ko po. Pero alam ko, meron po tayong, we have a new, really good cupcakes. Like, di-design ulit. Hindi ko alam sasabihin. Pwede mo, hola, kamusta, senyor at senyorita? Welcome to Frosty Cake Shop.
Mag-Tagalog ka.
Magtatagalog ka?
Oo.
Ay, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ako po ay si Odalaya Robinson, taga Lemery Bartagas, Alae. Welcome po sa Frosty Cake Shop!
Okay, let's do the testing without the icing.
So smooth. So delicious. So good.